stuff.
We should go get it.
Let's go.
Where are they all going?
It doesn't matter. We need to study anyway, and it was too loud with them here. Why are they here? They usually leave as soon as possible. That's if they show up.
Where are you going?
Oh, you got the cans? What beer? Orange beer. Come on, that's it. Watch it, need to learn. That's it. Hey! What are you doing? Hey! Come on, boys, hey!
We'd love to go, but all the doors are locked and none of the teachers are around.
So, we're locked in here?
Apparently so. Well, no, there has to be a way out. There always is.
So, what should we do? Should we try and find a way out of something? Split up into pairs? I just want to get out of here.
Yeah, sounds good.
So, what are the pairs? Erica and I?
So what? I have to be alone?
You can be with me.
Who are you?
I'm David. I'm new here. I got lost and I've been here since the end of school.
Okay, cool. We'll be a pair.
Action.
Never mind. I'll be his partner.
So, are we going to look for a way out? If we do, can we just call each other if we find one?
No service.
That's okay, we can just meet back here in like, what, 10 minutes?
So where do you think we should go?
Well, I was hoping you would know. I mean, you must have had some kind of escape route mapped out for when you were done vandalizing the place that holds you when you're done hiding from the police.
Oh, please, don't hold back. Tell me what you really think.
Okay. I was here studying for my exams, which we have in 2 weeks. Why? Because I care about my education. Because I go to school to learn and study, not to treat it like some alleyway wall, which, unlike you, I won't be spending the rest of my life staring at.
Is he dead?
He's not breathing. I'm guessing by the amount of blood on his head, that's why there's no pulse either.
Okay, that's it. We need to get out of here. We need to just break a window or something.
We can't do that. The windows on the bottom floor are barred, and the ones up here are too high. We can't escape. Wait, the fire exits. Let's try them.
We can't just leave him. I'll stay here. Come back and get us when you find something.
We'll be back.
Come on, let's go. Come in, I'm coming. Come on. Come in, look, come in.
Yeah, this is it. Just up here, guys. Is it open? What?
Guys, we've got to go back to the others.
Yeah, she's right. We've got to go back and sort out the body.
Fine, whatever. You guys go get them, okay? We'll wait here and keep the door open. Just don't take too long. Can't believe those two.
Natalie! 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 Owen! Owen! Fuck! Owen! Natalie! Natalie! Owen! Hey! Owen, can you hear me? Is anyone there? Owen!
Natalie!
There's more blood on the floor! There's more blood on the floor! Natalie! Natalie!
This wasn't an accident. He was killed. What do we do now?
Wait, we've got to go back and get the others, then we make a plan.
Yeah, that sounds good. Let's go. Shit! Wait! Shit! Oh my god! Whoa!
She must have taken him.
She?
Natalie! She's the one that's been doing this to us.
You don't know that. You don't know that.
It was David. We left him alone. He had time to kill Alex and Erica, run up to the fire escape and kill Natalie and Owen.
It may have been neither of them. Look, there's a blood trail. There's someone else here. They would have had time to kill Natalie and David. We've got to stay and help him.
No, David was cute, but he's as good as dead. And we are too if we stay here. We've got to get out of here.
She's right, guys. We've got to get out of here and call the cops. Come on.
You can't just stay here.
We have to.
We've got to stay and help him.
They're our friends.
All right, what's going on? This is working title is Escape, and we're all here. You can't be camera shy now. I swear to God.
No, just for now.
Just for now.
2 seconds.
Tara's here. All right, who do we got? We got Maddie Kerr, who plays Natalie. We got. We got Catherine and Tara. Catherine plays Erica. And Tara is doing makeup and costume associated with Corey Bear. We have Mr. Mr. Fuck. We have Darcy, who's playing David, creepy guy, and we have Thomas Pearson.
Is anyone gonna see this?
I might make like a behind the scenes thingamajig. Bloopers, guys. Odie, you're meant to hit. Show us everybody before running. You're meant to hit.
Now that's recording.
Are you recording?
You're welcome.
It tickles. It tickles. No, stop.
Are we just doing like a big gash?
A big
Oh my god,
cut.
look at this.
Not a gash, a cut. Like
Stop that.
an
Do
actual
we have to
stabbing.
freeze and stuff?
Odie, we really don't have time for you to be ticklish.
Why are you filming Seb?
Because it's a bloopers. Alright, Sebastian and Sebastian, Arlo and Hey guys, you need to clean up.
I need some else to carry because at the moment I'm covered in dead things.
Oh yeah, so it's cool.
Oh, that looks gross.
Walk home like that, please.
You're not going to walk foot
Gotta
like that.
smite. You know, if you walk